outside, don't be shy. Jolene can't wait to meet you for a trailer park Christmas. The trailer park way, with a brand new recipe every day. Sending videos from her trailer. Yeah. She's Jolene Sugarbaker. She is Jolene Sugarbaker. Come and spend the holidays the trailer park way. Merry trailer park
Merry
Christmas.
trailer park Christmas.
Merry trailer park Christmas. Hooray!
Well, hi there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen, and welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen. And welcome to Trailer Park Christmas 2019, where I'm showing you how the trailer park celebrates the holiday. Well, many of you are following along on the calendar on my website, trailerparkchristmas.com. And I see today, well, there's been so much controversy lately that this recipe is a controversy when I told my friends that I was going to do it. This has been a country staple, and I know it sounds strange, but it uses pineapple and cheese, and it makes a side dish that's certainly great with like a ham or even turkey, and it's pineapple and cheese and maybe some crackers. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm going to show you how to make my cheesy pineapple side dish up next on Trailer Park Christmas 2019. I know, don't run away. It'll be okay. It's great. Trust me. We'll make it up next. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Today we're making a cheesy pineapple side dish. It may cause some controversy around the holidays to share these unique traditions, but it's also a lot of fun too. I'd love to hear about your unique holiday dishes down at the bottom, so leave a comment. What I have here is a bowl, and I've got 2 cans, about 20 ounce each, of drained pineapple. Save some of the juice. You need 6 tablespoons of that here. And what I'm going to do is just dump that right on in there. And what I'm going to do is add 1 cup of sugar to that, right over there on the pineapple chunks. And pineapple, I don't know, it means, you know, hospitality, and I just think of it around the holidays as well. It's so pretty too. It looks like a Christmas ornament in itself. And now I'm going to add the 6 tablespoons of flour over that, and the 6 tablespoons of juice that I set aside. There we go. And we're just going to mix this together. This is going to kind of make a crust over this pineapple. So I'll check back with you in just a moment. Next up, I have 1/4 cup of butter here that I've melted down. And I have a sleeve of those butter crackers here that I've crushed up. And we are just going to dump those on in there. And mix it all around, and this is kind of going to make a topping for us. There we go. And make sure that you get all the butter all over them. There we go. And I've got a baking sheet here, and I've sprayed that down. There we go. Nice and buttery crackers are going to make our topping. And I've sprayed it down. I've preheated the oven to 352, and we're going to put our pineapple mixture in there. That looks quite interesting here, and I like to use a baking pan. You can use a casserole dish or something pretty that you can put up on the buffet table, but this is what I like to use. It's just something simple. And now we are going to take some cheese. Yes, that's right. I know this is controversial. And we are going to take 2 cups of cheese and spread that right up on top of there. Just some cheddar cheese right there. I know a lot of y'all are just shaking your head, but it's okay. It's going to taste really good. And now we're going to just put our crumb topping here that we made from the butter and the crackers right there. I know y'all have some unique dishes yourself, so this is just one that's great on the side, and we're just going to spread that out just like that, getting all that butter and those cracker crumbs. And we're going to pop this in the oven for about 30 minutes at 350, and then we're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes before we serve it. So set your timer. And there you have it, my cheesy pineapple side dish. If you like to cause controversy around the holidays, this side dish might be for you. I know it sounds scary, but this is great with some ham or some turkey or some venison. I know y'all eat some of that too, but look at that. It's nice and it's buttery with a crumb topping, and I see the cheese too, and I just can't wait to try it. And you serve it warm up on the buffet table. It's got the sweetness of the pineapple and the tartness of the cheese and the nice buttery crunch of the crackers, and this would be so good with some ham. And I know it sounds strange, but you should really give it a try. My pineapple cheesy side dish, and it's certainly a country tradition, and it can become yours now too. And I've got some more great recipes every day until the 25th. You can download a free calendar at trailerparkchristmas.com so you can follow along. And I see tomorrow that it's a cookie recipe that says sugar pretzels, and it's always a great time of year for cookies, and I'm going to show you how to do it tomorrow. Don't forget to follow me on all sorts of things like Facebook and Instagram, and of course my website, trailerparkchristmas.com. It even has some gifts designed exclusively by me. I certainly love spending the holidays with you. I'll be back tomorrow with some more recipes or some crafts or some chat. There's all sorts of things going on. I love you. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Bye-bye.
Slap on all your blue eyeshadow. Watch out for that